Hello and welcome to another KUKA iiQWorks tutorial video. Today we'll focus on the iiQWorks cockpit. You'll learn about the controller manager, how to handle your instances, how to make trace settings, and the software repository. In this tutorial we will equip you with the knowledge to efficiently handle your instances in iiQWorks.Cockpit. Let's get started.
I have a running robot KR4 with the name Jolly Clark and a running operating system iiQWorks OS2 in front of me, which follows a rather easy program between point 1 and point 2 in a loop. We now want to duplicate its instance and then open it in iiQWorks.Sim to later change the configuration of the robot. First you need to connect your PC to the robot controller. You can do this via a Ethernet cable to the KUKA Service Interface KSI on the XF1 socket of the controller of the robot. In this case, you directly see the hostname in the iiQWorks.Cockpit. Or alternatively, you can connect to your robot remotely by going to the controller manager of the cockpit, clicking on Add and then entering the IP address of the robot controller. If you now click on the hostname of the robot controller, it will redirect you the overview page of the controller, in my case, Jolly Clark. At the moment, you can only see the IP address, the port and the host type. You have to log in with the right credentials of your robot to access more information. Once you are logged in, you will see the instance management overview. If you click on the OS version, you will see the current instance name, its state, its type, and the controller state. Jolly Clark is currently running in automatic. Now that we have the access to the instance, we can open it in iiQWorks.Sim. We will cover that in the next video.
We appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the KUKA channel for updates and new videos. For hands-on trainings and courses, head over to the KUKA College. Keep exploring and learning with us.
Making automation easier.